How to upload videos from gallery to Snapchat Spotlight. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload videos from gallery to Snapchat Spotlight on your Snapchat app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Snapchat app and then here tap on memories in the bottom left side here. Then tap on camera roll. And here you will see all of the videos that are in your gallery. So tap on the video that you want to upload to Spotlight and then here tap on send to in the bottom right side. You can also customize it as you want. You can add stickers and other things, and then after you have done, you can just tap on next here in the bottom right side. And then here you will get the option of Spotlight, so tap here to select it and then just tap on send here in the bottom right side, and that video will be sent to Spotlight. And so this is how you can upload videos from gallery to Snapchat Spotlight. Thanks for watching.